na ukomo obinimo awosia obinimo nyamia braya de nyimu abraya de nworo wo obinimo biamo we oso nyame bi ni babi anana pa me tonton wo fla wado ase aja mi so amande patchim ananwumre me tonton wo ma kanfo aja mi so amo nyina dwemme awia so me dia ye ni na ase amawo aja mi so metin kwamu ayayenia kawanya mie ajua ye duma faje mura wa yeni
A very good morning to you and warmly welcoming you to Sompa 93.1. Odofo say adiachi yen odumfo na dumyen ama moja die mu afrusane na ye ntachre madabo dwem na yetumi home na ye kasama ne ye ya anopa ne men enfronko duma hengwana nim emfa na ye ne na asene ne ntrontrom enkomano ono no ye yen yekwati no aye ntumi nyobribi biara aye yo the gidi say wama adepachi ye de na owo ne pasonko bi edemaye within the Omannhene Yaw Boakye makwaba about food for thought. Samria, we are live on Facebook and no Sompa 93.1 FM. Bomodna ne ko na udruwa so share said beya obia ono so bia no pay abamo buo na ye ne so ntumi nye bibia na ye ne se abrabo no atwa ne ma binti wo ye jemu no wo hunu se onyankropon twredi ampon totrobonso tonsio maye na aduane die no obo awia no owo ne pasronko edema no anopai dwumade yi dwumakuo bi so ye na sene eye Fanko enterprise sounds so ena Todisak ena Kids and Teens World so yasne what they were feeding ato Sompa TV ma akwaba food for thought dwumade ena eba won chan sounds so ena omo wa ma no ne no YouTube Sompa TV YouTube and I say online radio no sompaonline.com sompaonline.com yes somo Sompa baby I will be what do a feed to hono Kachire wo dofo bi, kachire wo nua bi say emra so say the food for thought. The unadulterated word of God that encourages, that cautions, that brings transformation into our lives is here. God bless you for staying with me. Nipado Dona and a share of Facebook. Alex Brentio says, good morning, Omannhene, from Adanse till Baby. I'm watching you live from Dubai. May God shower his blessings upon you. Obinke Sika said, your people are ready for energetic food to wake us up for a better day. Asumbien Kaopa. Nana Ama Kuchela says, good morning, watching you live from Bookroom. And Misty PK says he's watching us from Tamale. Send your messages, send your comments on the Facebook page or YouTube in the course of the program. I'll be reading it. Anope, I want to share something with you that I've titled, Yes, You Can. You can. Ube to me, you can. Edrum Rebia, Abrabono ne akukushia sedenti. Ayana, enyama bitimi esia. Ana dwumadie bitumi beto ye naso na yahwe yen yahoden na yahwe suku a ye koye na yahwe baabi a ye firi na yahwe sene ya bosu ne ye nipadua sitie na yabu ye ho abomfia na yaka se we die mentumi obi krat me the business opportunity bi beto naso o hwa ye se wanko suku o hwa ye o se na we di enkrata asem ne ade anunti no nipa ne frɛ okra wo mfa obi oha obi tibi approach you ɔhwɛ nipa no sɛ ne ositie ɔpɛsɛ ɔware no enso so na obu ne ho abomfia sɛ me de bɛma we di me de mempem asɛm o ne ade na ɔtwetwe ne ho so e bia na nyame de sɛ nipa no ba abrabom so ɔba be yɛ nhyira de ama Yawoniema pi na ewo hon ma yebu ye ho abomfia nti eye se yentumi nye banyame se obetumi sanse niema ode adia wo mu ene onipa a waye wo no se wo hunu a ka bo hu se saade we kokokra. You are far above the things that are before you. I also want to know your ability is beyond measure. You can achieve greater heights. For Philippians chapter 4 verse number 13. Philippi 4 ngoma 8 and 9. Nijiche mo ye dumiensa. Philippians 4:13. Philippians chapter 4 verse number 13. What be ho? Philippi 4 ngoma 8 and 9. Nijiche mo ye dumiensa is a very popular verse. Okay. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Bitumi adie nyina ye. Adam Christa osemedenti. Me ametie. Bitumi adie nyina ye. Nyasa mitumi adie nyina ye because your friend me Omannhene. Yes, me to me at the end because my school, because me on network. Me to me at the end because me a nice guy, and I'm a Jamenasu, and I'm a papa free crow, and I'm a mammy to say no. Bible to say me to me at the end and I'm Christa. So the caveat here is Christ. The emphasis here is Christ. Christo, I was some dainty. Christo, mama, who ordained. No, I catch them and say, well, mommy, to me. It says, I'm Genie D, or John chapter 1, verse 12. 1 hour Genie D, or Genie D, Pudi, and Oma to me. So I have a certain power within me that was given to me by Christ that makes it possible for me to achieve all things. Christo na me de me wato no so no. Wono otumi ade nyina ye and also ama me sa to me no also ne bi bom di ade and until no me nsuro ni ababa me so because Christo na something se wase me tu anamon ye adwuma bia Christo amene no wato me ho so ntino me ka kira me ho se Christo wo mu dia metumi obo ode ne wato ni nimdia so wapem yes nimdia ye you need to acquire knowledge in certain things you do adwuma ye wa ha se woni nimdia obetuma betra no ma chesa okasa kra obi akra ntie enti nimdia ye na nimdia ne nye enough because you need a certain power that will catapult you to greater heights, and that power comes from Christ. We are what be it was me to me adinira and yes bia you from me Paul unti yes bia I'm a Pharisee na me sia de ni nyina no who say yes onim de na so Christo and what dear one sunti no e ma no ye niema bebre tema no pay abrabon nso sey ne emu nioma no e boy ehu won say e was so start business bi ba ehu nti enfia mienu konfia miensa woda so tefako won say e was say nkawaware a che say ababa na e krado da bia wo postpone because ehu eya osasa wo sun wie obia no asiesie ni won asie wie ansa no ware obia ni ho anu kwa na institution a ya ma certificate grant sana ya school na to nobody organizes and prepares himself for the many years obedi ansana say enamedi 20 Ghana it doesn't happen like that. The always sika said then grantisa but andam say wodo wato wa munu mu bi so any dia wagie free nsambia watete ne dia nkrofo akanti no ama eniema bi wa wosenka by this time what to me aye we are Christian idia that's who are taking a section of your life and a boy Paul say o to me atin nyina aye and I'm Christian or anything tie me ewiase bebo hu God will not demand from us the things that he has not given us the ability to do. Onyame ma onja de bia ono oma wonwode. He grants us the ability to do the things that he requires of us. So although our challenges may be very tough and intimidating, we are not left helpless and powerless. Onyame onja yen sada. Enuntina adwuma bi obu on ma adwuma utemi a o start it but adwuma ne koso so be a branch bi o baby also unya another shop but the one I must show na me ko yana me ko jo obi na obi ko discount na and sense bebre you give yourself so many excuses into tefako emo na won wa no junction ho no ne indomie no enkrofo topa bobo be 10 anopa na asa ubati di bibia ka ho ba usro and obuso ha moto nti oh mama try next year no ma shase next 2 years ma shase enti nipa bebre Paul say me to me adi nyina ye nam Christa o semete ehu and no problem and obonsam enyaw so when you start them through mu a unko babia wa obedi adanse say ensema me ne wo kan Omannhene ade we pa o say kama yo enne ya sorry waka Nekotu sana mo. Esa say wonti na saforade se menkasa asem wo ikyerɛ wo da. Edi anti. Ana Paul say otumi ade nyina ye. And I'm Christian because any kind of we have God. Psalm 8 verse 32. And Romans 8:32, sorry. Roman fongo ma etengo chichichemu edi asamenu. Romans 8:32. Quickly. Yanko truseminim. Romans chapter 8 verse number 32. Let's say this time around, me person me told me bossy. Nah, it's a piano. I don't need to rush. See, he who did not spare his own son, but delivered him up for us all, how shall he not with him also freely give us all things? Romans chapter 8 verse number 32. The one coming in on warani ba. The mom yen ti oyi no maye. A bad day no remfa adinina so enka ne ho emmom andom yen. Yesu kra. Oya ne doba no oyi no maye nti a. E de ba de na wo so sha no nti ontumi fa ka ho emmom fa mayen. Adebia you want to achieve because of Christ, you can achieve it. Yes, until Romans 8:32. Was it no one funny dobano and kame? O yini ya dear de my yen. That 19 and near my cano. See, they are to no swan for my yen. Amo boo. Woman near baby a bear codena. And I dream you as a with silly any. Esansa wo ya agye atum se ya na beko entesa ye rade dimbesi bia mapene so wonim de rade di ukosi wo se niema ani hunu ye de asonte ye niema asha komama eno ne niema asafo rade asese de ama. Do you know those things? Ka obo hu se agya boss so ni asase wiase mu niema nyina sika ne dwetaye de dia no o ma ade o ma ketwa obu ho abomfienta. I'm for you, Swan come here. Dainty no for near my cannon fan no me. What a four? The more mumu. Obey to me, aye. And then anyone is what you know a fee. And then out there see one is second quarter. You can. Yes, you can. You go to maybe in America for you more boo. The superpower that people knew them to be a fena. And so he took a young man, Barack Obama. He started that, hey, America, yes, we can. In spite of all the world order, yes, we can. He inspired the people of America again, and they all got up. And within years, even at the credit crunch, to make Pejaya America, baby. Yes, you can. And Faho, but yes, you can. You can give birth. Yariana down ain't been good. Yes, you can. God will bring you healing. Yes, you can. You can do it because Christ is with you. I don't care what they are saying about you. I'm not interested in what the doctor's report is saying. If only you will believe. Say the man tampia sami adia. Benyo ayarisa. Mesiu benyo ayarisa. Because we have God. Number 2. Nyame amoye ni pehunu. So we have talents. Here, Opia was something unique about him or her. But say Christian hunu. It's not for nothing, no. And I would try on man. All of a sudden, now I have people and the pen, no design at idea. And until I was so conocus at the pump crack bika home. Upoma tadia to what my way different. Obibe pump, hunu so opon ana ne saba akwa star bi say atade e hye me anopai my brand here said that me can frank opon me fe dia hye me na hu me ama fa me ho me charge me chair ayi Minister of Energy make a press conference. I simple and so nice. Oh, to try to be at say. Nyame man is him dear no. And so fear be aka home. It's not because knowledge is good. Skill is good. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 29. Yen can't say be ho. Now over who say Nyame ma talent. It is time for you to apply. Proverbs 22:29. Mebusam etsa duonu mienu na nchichemu a eye aduonu nkron. Proverbs 22 verse number 29. Are you there? Proverbs 22:29. Okay. Seest thou a man diligent in his business, he shall stand before men, he shall not stand before mean men. Timio Sauno nipa oyena juma hunsia ahemfo anim na obegyina orinyina empapahwea kwanim. He shall stand before kings. Your talent, because you applied knowledge and skill, nyame say obegyina ahemfo anim enya papahwea kwa just mean men. Enti adepam na opam no etitrefo na beba ma opam ade ama wo mo. Fita juma na wo ye no suma wa ni prayer usua ne ye no obia o ye titre pesa ho no be o ka. Why different? Mutrinyi no enkrofo botre na so nko ano wo be ba ho bo mutre ma ho no. Ya paki cars waduane a wo ye no da bia na cars akese otonko consumer se cars because oye ni ye. Nyame ama no sa talent no na wamfa ntra ho okanya ne ho se Kristo se ne dinti e ma okọ na nim suade sua niema no se no besi aye edi ne ho ni etuba kọ no nko ababi a oton aduane no nipa bebre na ekodi di ho because he is a man diligent in his business or her business. And God says that he shall stand before kings, not mere men, not mean men. Are you diligent in your work? Then I came to announce to you, yes, you can. Oh yeah, Jumani biara. Taylor near on can cry. Okasa bejiwa tadie next week. One way wedding unkobi. Fitani so I can awie. Obabusa no na mobo ase kwan so. No can o catch us we we and trunk kwa. You are not diligent. Or the Jumani Brown Swala Yaun Yaman Kalabino Masano. So now people are not coming to your workplace, not because of anything. You are not diligent. When you're the power, you're mercy. I'm not paying your Kasa. He didn't give you that talent to waste it. Are you a musician? How are you playing the guitar? How are you playing the organ? Say now, bow near Messifa, or between bog and both drums. Young man be a call liberty conference or both drums. Oh my goodness. What's it drumming? I see. About drums ground to me, sir. And yet, about you most one, sir. Obo atonyum so nsa foforo ba beje microphone o praise song back up no be atias him. He is diligent. God gave you that talent. Do not waste it. And number 3, we have wisdom. I've spoken about God. I've spoken about talent. We have wisdom. Proverbs chapter 4 verse 6 to 7. I'm the master baby. Proverbs chapter 4 verse number 6 and 7. Proverbs 4, 6, 7. Forsake her not, and she shall preserve thee. Love her, and he shall keep thee. 7. Wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore get wisdom, and with all thy getting, get understanding. Forsake her not. Why no waka? Nyansano empo. No be crowd. Dono. Omemo tintim. I mean country no na man paraphrase no crowd. Nyano na be sha wo so. Dono na be crowd. Nyano. Nyade nyanyansa. To we no say nyansa ne ade titre. Eti nyanyansa nefa wadinya nyina nya nhunumu. Unya nyansa ni wi a dosuko ne nya ntiase. Adwuma na wo ye no. Nyansa na wo de to ho no a unya ya de ko bi adwuma no. Fantiase ka adwuma ne ho. Wo betumi aye. Fanimdia ni nyansa ene ntiase. Yemu bebre ho no ma nyame amaye wisdom to do certain things, but the understanding of progressing to the next level has become a problem. I say, do not forsake her. Mempono. Love her. Yansa. And she will keep you. Wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore, get wisdom. And in your getting, get understanding. You can achieve it. Because you see, there's a difference between common sense. The application of it is the understanding. You can pray and pray and pray and pray. If you don't apply wisdom and understanding to it, and paibono one more year, and Yansa, any India was already 2 Sana morning. It will say you are starting. To be our building castles in the air, sad beer was see a die was throw you were him. Agronos of Proverbs 4:6-7. The light of the Lord will shine upon you. God richly bless you and stay blessed. Amen. And open me to Sompa. Begin say you've been a blessing. Okay, Franco Enterprise. So you're sending the food for thought to bro and opebia. They may come from out say so we a plumber. Now we plumbing works be a year and koto bibia kohonomo. Uti food for thought. And then do na wo to niam free fanko ho no so no na no so nya bi e be so ya sene me the food for thought bro until any food for thought member out pay plumbing works what's you dan wie excuse me opesa wo to a bathroom set water closet sink jacuzzis washing you can say showers ahodo any hunko ne be wo bathroom nyina mesrewa the place is Franco Enterprise ahonomo and I wa apono ahodo ye Chinese security doors papa bi ye techie bulletproof doors wa no ne ahodo nyina designs of all kinds of doors ukọ abenya bi ato mesel enkoto bi oba bi na akire abeka kire me say open jacuzzi papa abedwodwo hu omu a enu nyina aye himfa a Franco Enterprise. Edun Wesley Methodist, Bosha Dino, Dia Twasso, was sending Faubo Ho, Wako 2 milli, a honomo, come, on him Baba Wafe, Fefenem Ranteno, the Biana and the Pegua, Motonia Mania, and Yabio, Yaniamani, durable quality, Nebon soda form. Samson now could pay Bofre the junction, Bejan Chroma or Honomo, Agonta, Mijidis on Hoyapa, Utu Honomo Swa, a Honomono, ultra modern state of the art showroom, Bibia, Bia, bathroom near ma. Doors, nominate plumbing, pipes are who doing inara for wiring, for sewage, for water, BBB, Franco, it was 0244 775968 0244 775968 0244 775968 Tony Sack Enterprise, or say to Papa Precon, Tony Sack, yeah, to Papa Precon. Tony Sack to Papa Precon Ramadan yi ebo enche bia na eguchiri wi ano na ye pejai mu afriso na misrewa electrical appliance bene wo fie wo so sesano e wo say utumi enya air conditioners papa bi eno ntimi kamfo property air conditioners amount na no na auto a obohu se wato adepa 1.5 2.0 2.5 horsepower ho akese mope air conditioner split air conditioners siwo ufie opese wo ye split air conditioners ho ni nyina aye property odofo tie oh office or and then I can as a doom with the 216 grad the 217 we said that so and now we ask in and say to property air conditioners papa B now to we are be dance here Ramadan ni Easter ye double promo ya discount to ye near money pa you know oba honoma the opese to be alberto upe TV papa inches ahodo nyina fridges ahodo fans ahodo microwave blenders washing machine bibia home appliance there. The place is Tony Sack. Your number is 0204 292424 0204 292424 and 0244 119236 0244 119236 Edum Wesley Methodist Usania Triangle no yani ndi twani ufri Malcolm so na Efrako Wesley Methodist Fair Junction on your right ube hunye day ewo ho friend ani ajutwin komano pay na niema nyina enkoso kama emfanya day emfa emmaw na wa be dia dance say bibia atoye afa Kiss and Teens World yen ena enkwala no say enkwala na be doyen Columbia house, mommy, take me to Kids and Teens, KNT, what kind of KNT crab also? Kids and Teens World, and a KTW, Kids and Teens World. On and there, be a cotton manema. Says a near money, papa. Obana birthday, no person your photo shoot, papa be macolano. And I am here. Kids and Teens World. Aqualano your photo shoot, you have a aquano down bed, baby from 0 to 16. The birthday, what do 1 year? Kids and Teens. Daddy, papa, beer. Now, Ubo was a photo shoot no dance. Twice I would drop us out to my birthday. Near this year, dear. Akola young woman, no say a frumono, ya de, and near mamma, say, Frabana will far home far about years to demo. But still, Kids and Teens, I may show boss say, Oba wafa, one fauba, and will yes to Christo demo. My strasso. Uncle Tony myself ko work Kiss and Teens obebe fie kwada ene na menyame ntiase wona ho no so nyame sronti obahad usika te say dey the whole person wunya de kobia obenya Kiss and Teens ye wa adum ye ne lava shop di hwani mu sanso so ena obehu yen e wo Republic Bank ene di hwani mu na Jaba Plaza Pempe the 2nd Street udu ahojo Atinga Junction, now do any actually bunkum to send your oko castle. A diet kind at the FM, dear Twasono. Bones a soon from Winina, and your man will say chapo. You're Tony Mama how to your top quality. Yamia to my memory that me ban bedi a infield dubaku. Say me say we are no me tiafa ho. Kojiji ayi na berima. Obey your photo shoot in Yagro. Yeah. Kids and Teens. Now, who are say yes? Eti bomodna na fa obanako. Obu on ma kwala no ne niema wa hwe nano omo ba fie. Udwa ni wi a utu niema sa go ne t-shirts ne Lacoste ne niema wa hye ni fie kra ye basa. Ne na ka se for mo bra on person de on be ko because mo niema ne ye. Kids and Teens. Yes sem kama kwase adadu na kwala no ne omo na na ekwa asori afefefe. On so ntimi for mo nko. Yee. Oh, how many? Kids and Teens. Be bia. And the Jarin Kalano, Womunku, Womu perfume, be beer from 0244 650074. 0244 650074. 0244 650074. And 0264 152 115. 0264 152 115. Okay, afei me kwa homa no so na bra e dia na wosua no pay why nshira give me a call Besako Facebook and Chebi, I'm making kind more messages. Any comments I'm also more journal or Facebook. I can't leave it like that for you until quickly. My calls is here. Yes. Let's get to the lines. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Omannhene Yaw, Boakye.
Sir, when you?
Pacho educate Chronom Station.
Educate my too.
Na Omannhene and a pencil, yet wisdom, nyansa, na yamfanya yejuma.
God.
So be Yami actually nyansa any minute, would make it come on there. Now so over corner, now to no to dame. Na and for full chapine, echoba. Never take money to me.
That's right.
Yame unchira on Chira, would they magana my minimum said, Yamena Mosu, Adama Adina, and what Ghana for a trimono as a shot. Actually, yeah, Aquapatam, it became the economic station.
Yamisha, Pananekia Boatema says, good morning, Omannhene. Abbas Amogobo is the TV live as well? Yes, Abbas, the TV is live. Hello, good morning. Hallelujah.
Omannhene.
Omannhene to say.
Information center to for life. Yanko for one shall live there and concerning a system of the money.
That's right.
I believe you and cancer. Here for years, the Malina means and more no, or my unions of him for years, my man, and cancer. Oh, yes, so fast, or near seeing us on fast. What was it? Now that's the inquest. I was it.
Omannhene. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Uncle.
Yes, my brother, Pacho, my TV non conform.
Uncle, about your now, head.
Me who your pals, the lame, I'm too.
Uncle, no for Omannhene Badia, who's the level bomb, so many back. Uncle, overcall Obi a dream, chatting. Say, because of iPhone, Obia, Juno Connect. Uncle, oh, Quackota, deal will be honor, now, Jenny, and I may chat. Oh, Jack, oh, dear, no, and yes, can be a dear caution and manner. Now, Juno chatting, so time will be and some of our
my cousin chat, a bit chatting.
Ye, put two now, dear man, and I'll pay Yenfa, Uncle.
Murphy says that Murphy Japan, God bless you so much, my mentor. From Kobe Timetim Omannhene Adazwa. My sweet girl says, oh, my boss, you're always on point. Fantastic by all standard. Adazwa no pewanum tiana. Hello, good morning.
See, Janasi.
Janasi. Okay, Mary, my Intiano pay.
Why do we feel far? And rather than the Nana, when he done I want to.
Mary, now sitting right, eh?
The same rap on the people I'm with you. Embassy with Timmy Hope on every day. I want to.
Oh, but so cool.
Aye.
Hey, Mary.
I remain yes, can't tell you more.
Oh,
no, because I may go.
Omannhene Yaw say.
I got 3 years, 1.5. And I'm
still at home hospital.
Yeah, I'm good there, man.
Hey. Omo can you snap from me? Why?
Watch you. Catch any number, number.
Number Ben had frame. How frame we are no enya. Okay, frame is 020 51 70969. 020 51 70969. Also to me dear Konkolaniko Hospital. Now they Mary. Now we need health insurance and you see Saturday with the account. Oh, health insurance and Kabeko Hospital. You see? Hello, good morning.
Salamu alaikum, Omannhene.
Hey, Oluman, Sunyang.
Omannhene sa mo ya de. Omannhene Yaw Boakye, unyansanti, uni chaw ene furu onyina.
Esewara.
Omannhene Yaw Boakye, wa yo wanu ma tetebuta no wa unya takrabo a wo sa unya no ma sutu. Abu gubu mbaba abu nyansafo no so ko mu ansa na wo nwene. So onwene ansa na wo ko mu de hu na de bo mpiti ase. Yesi kramoni a wa pre nyame acha no okaso wade ne muma ebebo ade a yenina chinie sanso na se de mbeseri a ase de mbeseri test do otizongo kompone pompo de di ni se Omannhene doso na Omannhene Yaw adubu ase di amasa wo ya adutwam Omannhene no kwasam ne se ewiase fufu abade dam kura no e wani monyam sha anwamo anopai wosuefo waka yensem kesensem anopai waka kire awon se kura agumi amediti akonya mutie wo no ebura ade ne ntiase so Omannhene de mesre nyankopon ne se wo mo ho ban wo ma wonyini nche wo ma ye kodro hunhum wo ma nkosontina fidie ya so ala ye trekre we ma me no wose kokoku no na so ti Omannhene Yaw adubu ase no wonya nkwa wo so de number 2 da minim say obebo ne dodo. Salaam alaikum my brother.
Wa alaikum salam Oluman. Minu akremoni ba kwa say one for food for thought. Felix Upon say thank you for the powerful message today, uncle. I'm watching you live for the Bempanase from Dachi Omannhene Nanakojo Upon. Emmanuel say Ampon San say good morning, uncle. Thank you for the advice you always give us. I'm blessed from it. May God bless you and extend your knowledge and add more wisdom. Hello, good morning.
Yahweh.
Hey.
Yamache.
So bad, any
fufro. So the dada na udima na free with jamana.
Oh, Ojamba. Now, what to say?
Uluma na mama tusu abaso.
Uluma, we brutal.
Uluma me ofazio.
I see. And I know too much.
You want fast pa. Uluma so ono woti yego ne yewo ne tete no ma na.
I know tipa.
Na sa kotosu na. Odika kotra techimai. Ana na nu ya ye buri techimai mu ga na kotosu.
Yeah, me chena se. Mami too.
Ya me ka ze nya mi sho. O sho pa na enu ana me na mwase ho. Me free very na nema. And
hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. How am I?
Yes, sir.
That for you.
How for my Mintiano pay?
My Magaza Master Consiso and Master South District. I'm not talking so much on a boy up in Pondo, Deputy Minister of Agric. Oh, my, and our Cassette. Now, my own Madibi.
Catch me.
I will be a university. And one more name who me apply for any job. On pressure, on now,
now, what say university also gives you universal knowledge.
Yes.
A biawa jinimunti, ya uyi pharmacy, doctor, engineering, no money idea. Ejuma can the equation nyina a biawa jinimu ma wiase.
Yes.
There are certain jobs here, certain professions, certain articulations, and what you might. But apart from the social science, social science, you may change. But I was saying now the one you create.
Very good.
I mean, yeah.
But it's been nothing. It's enough for some girls school quite also. And what I said to you, in fact, and all many are the power.
Faster than me. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Doctor.
Me patcho wanye. Oh, Jennifer from Fantinuta, I'm in Tianope. Amen.
I think a normal signal or drop a mine. I think there's a few people again, and that's why I and I was broke, I was helpless, I don't have anyone to talk to, but when I hear about your message, I give myself hope that anything will be okay in life again. So,
Enra, all is under control, no, a bow pa.
Because now my broke.
Oh. I mean, at every point in time, Onimasema or the Bout Bekanyanima, you're fasted down in Yaman. Why? God bless you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Hinde.
Am I here about Cope?
Yep.
Let's see how far.
Yo, so many.
Makusa G, Omase, Agek, Omase.
Okay, Mammy Tiwano pay.
I'm a now, the make an say about to hear better money in better
record there. My name a friend no or na record in the city and fire jingle. Yeah,
that's it. Olumado too much. Mr. Akimu Chantu, I'm for say your mother. But me also, so I don't like that too. May I can say it's Obianim. May one broadcast journalist, I mean, line now. Said, listen to Omannhene of J&J. Minibi for over 17 years. Minibi that. What you might do, the work you do would carry you. That's why I make what tell me all these years. I mean, I'll tell you and say, hello, yeah, every morning, listen to the king. Why, king, why? Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omannhene. You so Boakye.
I'm sorry.
Nyankupa daruma. Omannhene abasa mugoni.
Abasa mugo bibi Boakye.
Nyankupa daruma.
Mami jewa no pe.
Ami sha no pe what kind shipa what she nkura ne kese pa ama ene hope she no was so pa. To Omannhene ami sha. Nyankupa ma Sompa FM ni Sompa TV. Nyankupa ma no free adomu kwa adomu. Because we need to near the above. Yamen cow.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omannhene.
Sir, Pacho Henry.
Pacho Kayafsa, the Miguel Dragon Summer. I'm not playing a mean show.
Okay.
The topic we met was a pain. Yeah, Sabrina, me turn a moonbiana, a moon, I a damn, I'm not going to but I say me transfer no. Because I'm rumbo, I send Toko so common. Me at them, Sabri, no one in a team so. Name a shell one, Name show and pay what the owner already knows so they are doing.
I mean, show so, my brother. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, my dear, Pacho Henry.
Good morning, Omannhene.
Hey.
Hey,
who da.
You are not paid the Yamiasi and a penny American Yagopon's own show. When the Yamias Madiama, to me, I didn't know, and I'm Crystal, or say a dainty. And when I at one man, no, I said, therefore, Jokoya, Juma, was me a Nidre and Juma. And when I had been any person, and Yakopon show of Sister Madiama, or no, Cassia, or no, in the Indians, and the child that's when you see from Penn and Yamisha will be
Amen. Oh, good morning.
Morning.
Okay, Pacho, no chat for a while. You too. Pacho Casa.
Pacho, Omannhene, good morning.
Morning, my brother.
We are down pa.
Wabre pa kafra miss me yada pa because radio stations be na no pay when you be manage radio hu tiwa.
Boy, me Sompa, that's why there's me that say, and that's why saying crying the dead pa, it should be boy black.
Brown and a bay, okay. Mammy found see animal, and that you may dear you quad a semo kai dear, and you quad do say dear. Now ye kajana sum.
We know the part of Sam. We know the part of Sam. What the more for me, poor king. Central and answer when Kawasem. What the more for me, poor king. Central and answer when Kawasem. We know the part of Sam. We know the part of Sam. What the more for me, poor king. Central and answer when Kawasem. What the more for me, poor king. Central and answer when Kawasem. We know the part of Sam. We know the part of Sam. What the more for me, poor king. Central and answer when Kawasem. What the more for me, poor thing. Kawasem, Central, announcer, Kawasem. Me no name parcha sem. Me no name parcha sem. But the more for me, poor thing. Central, announcer,
It's a beautiful morning. It's a wonderful day. Walking with Jesus every step of the way. He's got a blessing waiting for you today. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's a wonderful day.
It's a beautiful morning on a Wednesday morning. I welcome you to Kawasem on a Wednesday on Sompa 93.1. The Drew Sabreweya. Yama Kwaima Ghana this year in Nada. 8 year in Ghana Hano Akwanya. Emma Omunina to me bomb Modimba Homaso. Juma Dieno, Ayamodia. Ukwada Drew Seya. Yama Kwanya.